Very useful and easy kitchen tips and tricks that I usually use while working in kitchen, and they really help me to minimize my workload, also saves lots of my time. So I thought to share with you all, and you may also use them if you found them helpful. So let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Whenever I cut vegetables, I always prefer to spread old newspaper before start cutting or peeling them. When we directly peel or cut vegetables on our counter, it unnecessarily creates lots of mess and makes the counter very dirty. By spreading newspaper will help you collecting all waste and peels and leaving the counter clean, and you can directly throw the newspaper in the dustbin without creating any mess on your kitchen counter. There is no specific recipe for making garam masala as the ingredients vary between regions. People like to prepare it according to their own taste and likings. But most of us prefer to make garam masalas at home because it gives a nice flavor to your veg and non-veg food being homemade. Next time, whenever you make garam masala along with all the other whole garam masalas, add 2 spoons of rice while roasting them along with 2 spoons of dalia. This is my tip for making garam masala. Roast them till they are dark in color, then you let them cool for some time and then grind it. Grind them in fine powder and store as long as you want. By adding rice and dalia will improve its flavor, and your veg and non-veg dishes will get extra nice taste and aroma. My next tip is related to baking. Being a professional baker, I am sharing few of my tips which will help you for baking a perfect cake. I saw many people use lots of oil or butter for greasing the cake pan. But if you want a perfect baked cake, do not over grease the pan. Use very less amount of oil or butter while greasing. Your cake will be evenly baked from the bottom till the top without even sticking in the pan. Many times it happens that we want to bake a cake and there is no butter paper left in the pantry. Do not worry, we all have newspapers at home. You can use newspaper instead of butter paper without worry. Take a square newspaper piece and fold it in half and then again in half, and you will get a square, a small square. And then you fold it in a way to get a triangle and fold it one more time as shown. After folding it in a triangle shape, you will get a cone shape fold like this. This technique will help you when your cake pan is round in shape. Put the point of cone in the center and mark the line and then cut it in a curvy shape. You will get a perfect round shape paper for your cake pan base. I always recommend to use parchment paper or newspaper on baking sheets and pans. It will surely help you to get a perfect base and not the burnt one. Using paper creates a thin airy layer between the baking pan and the paper that helps to regulate the temperature and neutralize the hot spots. So next time whenever you want to do some baking, use this tip and get a perfect cake. Next mistake I saw most people do while baking, they fill the cake pan till the top, not leaving the space for a cake to rise. And cake batter overflows outside the pan at the time of baking. Always fill the pan only half and leave the half top portion empty so that the cake will get enough space to rise and it will not come out of the pan while baking. Let me tell you about MeraLink website for all your kitchen and home shopping. MeraLink will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and very easy returns in 5 days just like any other online website. Many offers and discounts are going on. Do check the website and avail all those offers. You can also shop through WhatsApp link. My last tip for those who love baking is to tap the cake pan before you place it inside the oven. Spread a towel and tap the pan many times. When we tap, all the air bubbles release and your batter will remain fluffy and you will get a perfectly baked cake after doing this. Baking a perfect cake is a complicated task, but if you will follow all these tips, you will surely get a great cake and your family will love it. You can see even after using a newspaper, my cake is perfectly baked and the bottom of the cake is not burnt and evenly cooked. All the video related links and MeraLink website details are given in the video's description below. You can check if you wish to buy anything. I hope all my tips which I shared in this video will help you while you are working in kitchen. And if you already know all these tips, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video.